One day, I hope, I'll have my own garage. Welcome to IVB Auto. I still can't believe this. This has been a dream since I've been a teenager. And I want to first show you around. When I went to go edit my video, I realized I didn't press record. So what you missed is me talking about how every garage needs a nice workbench. Now this workbench is rated for like 2,000 pounds. As you can see, it's nice and sturdy, and I can put whatever I need on it. Next, what I want to show you is something I was really excited to get, and this is a tool storage organizer, and it's a perfect budget-friendly option. So it has all my tools, and I'm going to show you something I'm really excited about, and then I'm going to move on to the next thing. As you can see, the sockets finally came in, and now I can complete my socket set. Drum roll, please. Now coming on in, 20 millimeter short socket, 9 deep socket, 8 deep socket, 7 deep socket, 6 millimeter socket. Woo! Anyways, back to the video. Now, I'll be honest, I did start filling this out pretty quickly, and it's basically full now after several weeks, which is where my next purchase comes in. Obviously, it's looking a little messy right now because we're in the middle of a project, and I don't want to spoil too much. So this shelving storage is rated for like 10,000 pounds, and it adds a ton of storage space. Another update I made is moving my lawn care stuff from the back wall to the side wall. It gives me a lot more room to walk in between the cars when I'm working on them. I don't know why I didn't put it on the side wall in the first place, but you know, you live and you learn. There's still several things I want to do, but if you told me this 6 months ago that I would have all of this, I wouldn't believe you. And I'm super excited with the way things are turning out. Now, I want to take a moment to introduce myself and also welcome all the new subscribers, since the channel has seen some amazing growth lately. Welcome and thank you for your support. My name is Boyarskiy. I started this channel June of 2025. I'm not a professional mechanic, just a lifelong car enthusiast, thanks to my dad. If you're not a subscriber yet, consider subscribing to follow along the journey. I'm excited for what lies ahead, and I hope to see you in the next video.